repairing the Tweety Bird clock, um, version 2, I guess. This other stuff I bought repaired dried too hard, and I can't get the gear out. So I went out and got some Play-Doh. I went out and bought a aluminum bar. The aluminum bar was $5, $4. Play-Doh was $1 from the 25 from the Dollar Tree. I got some shavings of the aluminum bar in this cup, and I need to put the plastic gear. Remember, this is the one that I'm working on because it's damaged. So I need to put this plastic gear into the Play-Doh and see if I can form another mold. This would probably work better if my gear wasn't damaged in the first place. Trying to get it to form into this Play-Doh with a damaged gear is kind of messed up. I might have to try to shape it after the epoxy dries.